Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making lemon pepper pork chops and pasta in a Ninja Speedi. Alright, I have some center cut bone-in pork chops here. I'm going to start by spraying them down with a little bit of olive oil. That's going to do two things. That's going to help our seasoning stick, and that's going to help keep them moist. And Holly fought me on this because she doesn't like bone-in pork chops, but I think they're better than the boneless. So I told her I'll cut her meat off the bone. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of salt to the pork chops. And then I'm going to add some lemon pepper seasoning. This is a quick and easy, just up my spice, quick and easy workday meal. Now I'm going to turn them over and season the other side and set them aside just for right now. Okay, now for the pasta, I'm just using these Knorr's sides. These things are easy and they're really delicious. I'm using the stroganoff ones. Now I would say you follow the directions on the packet, but in the Speedi, you don't want to follow the directions because it doesn't take as much liquid, because Speedi steams, when you cook these on your stovetop, they cook open, the pan's open, and some of that moisture evaporates off. So this calls for the 2 packs, it calls for 3 cups of water, a cup and a half each. I'm only putting in 2 cups of water, because we're going to have so much steam in there that it'll retain the moisture. I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of butter. And for the milk, it calls for a half a cup of milk, so we'll put 1 cup of milk in because we're doing 2 packs. Okay, let me grab a spoon and we'll give that a stir. Like I said, guys, if you don't have a lot of time, these Knorr sides, they really come in handy. And they're pretty inexpensive, so they're worth checking out. Let's see this here. Alright, now I'm going to put my tray in. We'll put it in the elevated position. And it's going to be a tight squeeze getting these chops in here, but we're going to try to make it work because there was 5 in the pack, and I don't want to have to freeze just 1 chop. So we'll place them in there the best way that we can get them to fit. I don't know, I might have to freeze one with the lemon pepper seasoning on it, guys. Looks like we're going to have to do that. I'm going to close my lid down. It's already set on rapid cook. Alright, I'm going to turn this on. We're already set on Speedi meals at 390. I'm going to set my time for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to go in and turn the chops over once the cooking starts so we get a nice browning on both sides. Alright, this is done, guys. See how nice and golden brown and delicious my pork chops look. Now, to be honest with you, what I did is I left to cook the whole 10 minutes with the pork chops on the one side because they just weren't getting brown enough. Then when it was done doing the steam and the air fry, I turned the pork chops over, set on air fry at 390 for 5 minutes, and air fry the other side. So this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here. I'm going to start with the chop. Now when I stirred my pasta up, there was a little bit of liquid in there, but it wasn't soupy. So when you do your pasta in a Speedi, you want to use less water. See the chops cook through? Chop is well seasoned, really delicious, crispy, tender. And guys, don't mind Holly coughing in the background. She had COVID last week and she's still not feeling well. Let me try some of this pasta. Tender, really well flavored. Guys, that was really easy, really delicious one-pot meal. Lemon pepper pork chops and pasta in a Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.